Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY tutorial on this adorable octopus snow globe. So here I have a little project and some polymer clay, and I'm going to be using some beads and glitters and all that fun stuff to put inside this little globe kind of glass bowl thingy. And then I have some baby oil, which I'm going to be putting inside of it as well, and some glue. So yeah, I'm starting by making the tentacles, and I'm using some purple and pink polymer clay for that. And then I repeated this step on all 4 of them, and I'm making these little balls to put on the bottom of my tentacles just to add more character and texture. And then I tried putting the tentacles onto the head just to see if they fit and how I want them to look like. And then I removed the head and started adding my little dots onto the bottom of the tentacles using a dotting tool. And then I reshaped my tentacles again and made sure the head fits, and started making these cute little plants that I wanted to have inside of my octopus, I guess. And then I made a bow tie because my octopus is really elegant, so yeah. So after I had all of my pieces, I took them to the kitchen and baked them. And then I took this bowl and started adding some glitters, and I really like the look of iridescent glitters, so I kind of went for that. But you gotta make sure you don't put too much stuff inside of your bowl, because you're not gonna be able to see the stuff that's inside of it, kind of. And then I put the baby oil, and I used a polymer clay to hold the ball in place so it doesn't roll around while I'm working with it. And I took this bead and glued my plants onto it because it was the perfect size to cover the whole of the little glass ball. And then I tried putting the plants inside of the ball, but unfortunately one of them didn't survive, so yeah, that's that. So I just glued my little bead onto the ball and secured it with some resin glue on top. And here's a little snow globe. So now I'm just taking the resin glue and placing my little ball onto the tentacles. And then I glued some beads for the eyes and my little bow tie, and that is my octopus done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you soon. Bye!